Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Setting up a domain in ClickFunnels 2.0 is not so hard because they use an additional service to simplify the whole process. From your account dashboard, navigate to the workspace settings and then go to the domains. Here you will get two options, buy a domain or get a free domain, and connect existing domain that is registered somewhere externally. If you want to get or buy a domain, you can click get a free domain or buy domain. Then enter the name of your expected domain. Here you will see if the domain is available and how much it will cost. Then you can just proceed to the checkout and buy the domain. After the purchase, it will automatically appear in your ClickFunnels account. But most likely we have already an existing external domain. For example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Cloudflare, and then connect to ClickFunnels. To connect an existing domain, you would need to click Connect Existing Domain. Before getting started with the main setup, you need to log into your account with the service where you are hosting your domain. Now you need to enter your existing domain with a subdomain. If my domain is marufabdullah.com, I will include a subdomain like www in front of the domain. Now click Continue. We can see some information about the domain from Hostinger. Click Add Domain. On this screen, we can proceed with the automated domain setup, and before you can do it, you can turn on the redirection root domain to www subdomain so that marufabdullah.com to be redirected to www.marufabdullah.com. It's recommended to keep this redirect active. Now click Start Domain Setup. ClickFunnels uses a third-party tool called Entry to configure the domain. Now click Continue here. It will try to make an automatic connection with Hostinger in my case, or any other domain provider that you are using. In case of some platforms, automatic authorization option comes up if you logged in earlier. For example, Cloudflare. Again, some platforms have to be done manually. This may take a few minutes to authorize. If you see something like that, then click OK, continue. On this screen, you can see a success message like your domain is now configured. Click Done. Configuration is completed. Now, if you see that the status of your domain is not set up or securing, you should wait up to 48 hours and check after that. If you have any issues or errors during the domain setup, you can try setting it up again from scratch, or if the issue persists, then you can reach out to the ClickFunnels support. Now let's see how you can connect your existing subdomain. Click on Connect Existing Domain button again. On this screen, we will need to put our subdomain. A word that you want to use before your root domain is called a subdomain. For example, offer.marufabdullah.com. Here, offer, this word is the subdomain and marufabdullah.com is the root domain. Click Continue. The only important thing that you need to do differently is to disable this redirect. I think you already understand how to set up your custom domain in ClickFunnels 2.0. Thank you.